codeschool.com, and then in this video I'm just going to show you how you can start up your Flutter SDK and then Android Studio so that you can start running or building your apps. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are in the Flutter SDK website, and then as you can see, if you want to go into you want to log into the web page, you just type in the flutter.dev get started install Linux Android, and then this link will take you directly to the page into the Flutter SDK, and then here you can see Flutter Linux 2.29 stable.exe. Download this link, download this file. So here we are. We've been able to download the Flutter SDK onto our machine. So let me open so that you can see on my terminal. Okay. So the first thing for us is to unzip the file, and then how we unzip the file, we use the TA, that's the SF, and then slash. We point onto our path, onto the where we downloaded the Flutter the Linux SDK, and then we specify this option. This option shows where we want to unzip the file onto, and then you see I've chosen the workspace. This is where I want to run my Flutter app. So you see I've created another make directory. So first you need to create this directory. You need to create this file, this folder, this directory. So to start unzipping the file onto your development. So I can see after we've done that, you can see the into your development like this. And then when I do ls, you see that I have my Flutter. Yeah, I've been able to unzip the folder onto my development. And the development make the directory that we just created. So I can just see it onto the Flutter again like this. Let me clear this so that you can see it. Oh, sorry. Clear the screen like this. So this is my Flutter. I am right now inside my Flutter. So I'm going to unzip the file. Okay. So now the next thing for us to do is add it onto our path. And then to add it onto our path, we see it onto the bin. We see it onto the bin, and then we print our directory like this. And then we copy the whole of this directory, the whole of this link. So we're going to add this link onto our file, onto our path. And then first of all, you just have to check when you open a new fresh or a new terminal, how your machine gets run. So you just do something like echo like this. So you can see my machine first starts running using my user might and my ZCH. Yours might be different, it might be bash. So if you are on a ZCH, first of all you just have to create a new folder like this, like a ZSHEMP like this. You create a new folder like this one. Inside with the dots, we just create a hidden kind of a hidden path onto your folder, onto your machine, so that you can just add the path here to tell our machine that hey, add this path so that anytime we call Flutter, we'll be able to run Flutter on our machine. Okay, so like this, you see I've created mine like this here. So when I open this is my path where I have pointed onto my path, and you can see here, and then yeah, so that's, and then if you are on a bash, when you done the echo like this, and it came the user thing, then the bash too, you just also do, and I think this comes as it's come as a this thing, it's come as already created hidden files in something like an environment in the machine. So like this, and then you do like bash, so like RC. If you're on a bash machine, you just add the path onto this hidden environment like this. So okay, so when we are done, it's time for us to check our Flutter. First, it might require you to restart your machine or reboot the machine that you are running. So I can after the reboot, you can just do Flutter like this, and then when you do Flutter with the doctor like this, so you want to check the doctor runs to your machine, then gives you an error or tells you if your machine is fully ready for you to get the Flutter SDK and Android Studio starting on your machine. So we do Flutter and the doctor, and this might really take a couple of times. So I think we just wait after this is being done, and we just continue the video. Okay, so yeah, all right. Okay, So you can see it's checking on based on my machine what I need, what I really need for I really need to install so that I can get my full Flutter running on my machine. So you can see that it gives me a bunch of errors here. You can also specify with a dash v. Also specify with a dash v. And then it goes with the same approach. This is that you specify the variables that you want a full details or a full data. So it's a scan to your machine and it gives you the full access, what you need to install so that the dependencies, so that you can start the development on the machine. So we can see that it's still scanning on the machine. Let's wait for it to finish scanning, then we just alright. So let's start from the first step. So you can see that I have my Flutter, the channel. I already have my Flutter already installed, and then I don't have Android Studio. So and then they point me onto this. So you copy this link, and then you copy and then you paste it onto your web browser. Whether you are on Chrome or on Firefox on your Linux machine, you just copy this. It will take you directly to where you can download the Android Studio. So when you are done with download the Android Studio, I have my Chrome also installed. If you don't have your Chrome also installed, you download Chrome from the Chrome browser or from the Chrome site, and you do sudo apt install. I'll provide all the links and the steps on how you can get the Android Studio and then the Chrome installed on your machine. Since I don't want this video to be a long one, so and then we have other dependencies to install. You can see that we have CMake, we have Ninja, we have the EKG port, we have all those things installed on our machine. So and then our Linux points out how you can install without apps install CMake, app install Ninja build, app install EKG config. So I can just do my sudo, then I do apt install CMake like this. Hit enter. So it comes with my password. With my password like this. Hit enter. So this will start. This will start downloading the CMake onto my pack. This will start downloading the dependency that I need, so I can fully meet with the dependencies or with the actual. Okay, so I hit end while to agree on to the terms here. The actual steps or the actual dependency that it needs for me to start running the Flutter SDK. If you see, this will take a couple of times. So okay, so after a long downloading, we are able to download our CMake onto our machine. So let's go to the top and see the other dependencies we need to install. We need the app install. You can just do by copying from there. Then we copy our installation, and then we do sudo, then we paste into our clipboard. We hit enter. Okay, this time let me crack the password. This might also take a long to finish downloading. So let's pause the video file, and then when we are done, let's just continue from there. Okay, we are done with the Ninja book. So let's go up again and see the dependencies we need. Then this will be the last one. We need the apt, the pkg config. Okay, so we copy that one too. Then we do the sudo. Then we paste into our clipboard like this. Then we enter. This one doesn't require for password because we already signed in. Okay. Okay, so it requires for our continue. Great. So let's what? Okay, great. So much better. Okay, so we are now done with all the dependencies. So let's check again what we need to install. We run the Flutter dash v to scan again thoroughly onto our machine. Okay, so this gets giving us again what we need. So we are done with the Flutter. We don't have the Android Studio already. I gave you the link. They gave us the link from here, as you can see. So we have the Chrome. So now we have the see it's left with the apps installed. So we copy that one too. Copy this one. And then we do cd. Then we paste that one too. I'm not sure this will count for password because yeah. I'm sure this might not take long because we've installed the dependencies already. Great. So so now is the next thing for us is just to check again if Flutter Doctor has any uninstall or any dependency that we need to install. So we just run the Flutter Doctor then space dash p again for us to give us anything that we need, any dependency that we need to install again. So that this thing we need dependency so that we can really run it on our machine. So this will take a long time. So let's give it a done. Okay, so yeah, we're done. So right now we could see we have the Linux tool chain. We have all the dependencies installed. Great, much better. So we have the VS Code installed. We have okay. So it's now time for us to download the Android Studio SDK. In the previous session, I showed you how you can download the Android Studio. So after we are done with the Android Studio, so this is the download. It's a straightforward download. So let's go on. So after we are done with Android Studio, you just how you unzip the file is with this command, the TARSF. You can see that this is where Android Studio is in my download. So this is where the Android Studio is. This is where I download the Android Studio. So then for you to for you to unzip it is advisable that you unzip it into your auth directory or either your auth or you can specify the user, and then the local. The local. These are in two ways. It's advised that you specify this situation. So in my case, I want the data so that it can be shared among everyone. So I specified my part where I want to exit the file into. So I just hit enter. Cannot make that. No set that. Okay. Alright. So let me cancel it. And first let's make a directory onto our. So let me cd onto auth and then make a directory like make this. I'm not making for a directory, so another making a directory like workspace is like this. I cannot put directory workspace permission now. Okay, so let me use sudo make directory workspace. Workspace. Type my password. This is wrong. Oops, storage. Alright, so let's check. Actually, we have our directory. Alright, so it's now time for us to again unzip it onto our directory. So I just add the cd like this. Space and then enter. Oops, it's not pointing me for a password. Okay, this might take a couple of times, so Android, spell that correctly, Android Studio, and then let me check. Okay, so now for you to start the Android Studio, after you cd into the Android Studio, you just cd onto the bin as well. Okay, right. Cd onto the bin too as well, and then the last thing for us to do is to execute the shell. So you just type studio like this .sh, then hit enter. Oops, command not found. Okay, so command this one. So let's do like this. Let's do studio. That's sh. And let's see. That's sh. Enter. Oh. the same thing. When you execute the sh, then the studio.sh, as we saw, it will take a while. So we just don't we just fill in these few options so that we just get our Android Studio running on our machine. So we click on don't send. Click on next. So then we click on standard. Okay. Alright, okay, so much better now. So this gives us all the SDKs dependencies that we need to install on Android Studio. So by clicking next, we agree on downloading this 2 gig total downloading side of the SDK components for our simulation, our simulator to start, or emulator to start running, and the emulator to start running. So click on next.